Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope all you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Day Shift, National Ideal, English Version School. Today, I am going to take a class for the students of class 3. And our today's subject is mathematics, and today's topic is write in numbers. You have already got a class related to this topic. This is a repeated class for you. In this class, we will write 10 numbers using digits. Okay, let us start our today's class. At first, I want to discuss about some basic concept related to this topic. Dear students, you know that we use 10 digits in mathematics for expressing any large number. These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The value of any digit may change depending on their place. Let us consider a digit 4. If we put 4 in ones place, then the value of 4 is only 4. If we put 4 in tens place, then the value of 4 will be 40. If we put 4 in hundred place, then the value of 4 will be 400. If we put 4 in thousands place, then the value of 4 will be 4000. That means if we want to write 4444, we have to put 1 4 in thousands place, another 1 4 have to put in hundred place, another 4 we have to put in tens place, and another 1 4 we have to put in ones place. That means this is the numeral form of 4444. Now the students will start our main class. First number 135. We have to write these numbers using digits. Here highest place is 100 place. So that we will take 3 dot sign, this dot sign for ones place, this dot sign for tens place, and this dot sign for 100 place. Here in 100 place 1 will come, that means this place we will write 1, and in tens place 3 will come, and in ones place 5 will come. So that 135 is the numeral form of 135. Now we want to write 476. Here also 3 place exist, and highest place is 100 place, next place is tens place, and another one is ones place. In 100 place 4 will come, in tens place 7 will come, and in ones place 6 will come. Now number 3, 2159. Here total 4 place exist, and highest place is thousands place. So we have to take 4 dot, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is for ones place, this is for tens place, this is for 100 place, and this is for thousands place. In thousands place 2 will come, and in 100 place 1 will come, then 5 will come in tens place, and 9 will come in ones place. Now next number 8210. 1 dot for 1000 place, another one for 100 place, another one for 10th place, and another one for 1 place. In 1000 place, 8 will come, 2 in 100th place, 1 in 10th place, and in 1's place 0 will come. Now 5 number 3001. Here highest place is 1000, so we have to take 4 dot 1, 2, 3 and 4. In 1000's place 3 will come. Then 3001, that means 1 will come in 1's place. So 2 place, that means 100 place and 10th place are blank. So we have to put 0 in these 2 places. Now 6 number 4400. Here highest place is 4, so we have to put 4 dot 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 1000's place, in 1000's place 4 will come. 4, and in 100 place also 4 will come. And next 2 place blank, so we have to put 0 in these 2 places, 0 and 0. Now 7 number 1111. So we have to put 4 dot 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here in 1's place 1 will come, in 100 place also 1 will come, 10th place also 1 will come, and 1's place also 1 will come. Now 8 number 9647. 9 will come in 1000's place, 6 will come in 100's place, then 4 will come in 10th place, and 7 will come in 1's place. Now 9 number 7060. We will take 4 dot 1, 2, 3 and 4. 7000, that means in 1000's place 7 will come, and 60. 6 will come in 10th place. 2 digits blank, and in this blank digit we have to put 0. Now 10 number 2222. Here 10th place digit is 1000's place digit is 2, 100th place digit 2, 10th place digit also 2, and 1th place digit also 2. That means 2, 2, 2 and 2. Now dear students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Do your SW properly, and this is your SW number 26. You know that your SW is very important because you will get your diary marks, CT marks and SBA mark based on these SW. So do SW properly and submit on next Sunday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.